Alright, so let's say you have an issue with your back pouch just kind of hanging out like this. It's a pretty quick fix. I'm going to have to do it on both sides. Do it on the driver and passenger side, but the driver is the one that's showing the most. First thing what you want to do is you want to push down on this plastic. So push down with a little bit of force and then just wiggle back and forth. So we'll just push down and wiggle back and forth. It's kind of a little bit hard to do this with one hand, but so just like that, we'll have it out. As for this one, same thing. We're just gonna push down, kind of push towards it, just wiggle it back and forth. Make sure you get these guys popped out, and then once you get these guys popped out, everything will be a walk in the park. So this is pretty much just how it's gonna look like. Again, you can either push up and get these off, but I like to push down. If you push down too hard, you might break these guys, but I've been doing this for a while and this is how I've been pulling them off. Now, you wiggle these ones back and forth while kind of pushing in so you can pop these guys off. And now we'll go ahead and go to the stapling procedure. So the way how we're gonna complete this procedure, so you're going to need these staples. I believe that they come with these guns. You can get this at Harbor Freight, and I got the staples at Harbor Freight. I think I spent probably about close to like 10 or 15 bucks. I can't remember. I bought this a long time ago. Now you want to get the quarter inch length, and then you want to make sure it's square and not like a kind of like an oval C. So after you got these guys inserted, you're going to want to make sure that you get this as close as possible. These notches that are right here, they should correspond with this. So you want to try to get it as best as possible. And then we'll clip these guys down. Pretty much is how it's gonna look like right after you're done. It's gonna look a lot more cleaner. Obviously, I know there's some factory staples that should be right here, but they're not on this one. And then this is a little bit too thick right here just to get the staples, so sometimes they don't stick too well for these guys. So it's kind of like a hit or miss, but if you keep trying, found out it works really well if you push hard on this piece, on the spring, that you put a little bit more force. Once you finish doing that, we'll go ahead and put that right back on. Forgot to mention too, you want to try to keep the staples as pretty close as possible. Put a little bit extra, because normally it would just be like that, half an inch or one space finger, but kind of overkilled it, so I don't want to deal with this process again. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to put this guy in first. And just bang on there. Make sure it doesn't pull back. Nice and firm. Check the sides, if anything. Now, so here's the after results. They look a lot more better, more cleaner, more presentable. If this video helped you out, comment below, hit the thumbs like button, and then hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.